Freedom Scientific, a Vispero brand.
This task is going to be to show you how to open different types of attachments from within Teams. The first version of this is to take a look at how we open an attachment from within a chat message. I'm going to go ahead and confirm where I am. Insert T.
Title is Rachel Buchanan, Microsoft Teams, offline.
And I'm on the list of chat messages up and down on my left-hand side of Teams. If I press enter on Rachel's name, it will take me to the edit field for the chat.
Enter, type a new message, editing edit.
And I can write her a message right now. If I shift tab, I'll get into the list of messages.
Message list, message from Rachel Buchanan. Thanks, Matt, very helpful.
And I'm going to arrow up to a message I sent to Rachel with an attachment.
Message from Matt Ader, sent on Feb 9, 2021, 3:28 p.m. Message has reactions. The message has an attachment. Seen, press enter to explore message.
And you heard both that this message has a reaction because Rachel loved the message I sent her, or probably gave a thumbs up, one of the two. And it also mentioned that it has an attachment. If I press enter on it, I can drill into the message.
Enter, menu, like, 1 of 6.
And if I hear the word like, that means I'm on all of the different options of reactions. If I press my shift tab once, I will be placed on a more attachments options button where I can choose to open the file. So I'll press shift tab now.
Leaving menus, message list, Tuesday 3:28 p.m. Message reactions, toolbar with 2 buttons. Press enter to enter toolbar, file attachment, Teams keystrokes, docs. Press tab for more options. Press enter or space to open the file. File attachment, Teams keystrokes, docs. Press tab for more options. Press enter or space to open the file. Column 65535.
And you heard that I'm now in a place where I can choose to open up a menu that will allow me to open the file. So I'll press enter on that menu.
Enter. Menu, edit in Teams, 1 of 5.
I have choices like edit in Teams.
Open a desktop app, 2 of 5.
And if I use my arrow key, I get the different options. I want to open in desktop app. Once I press enter on this, it would open the document in whatever application is specified by the document handler. In this case, it's a Microsoft Word document, so it would open Microsoft Word. This is one way to open an attachment within a chat message. I'm going to now show a separate way. So I'll press escape to get out of the menu and escape to get out of this specific chat message.
Escape, leaving menu, escape, message from Matt Ader, sent on.
I'm back in the chat messages. And so if I arrow up or down, I'm seeing the different messages from me to Rachel and Rachel back to me. JAWS has a keystroke to move to tabs across the top of the window. Each chat window has a chat tab and a files tab if there was files attached to that message. Alt 1 would take me to the chat tab. Alt 2 would take me to the files tab. This keystroke works when you're in the list of messages going back and forth. It does not work when you're on the edit box where you would type a message. So you need to be either in the list of chat messages or somewhere else in this window. You cannot be in the edit box for typing a message to the person. So I'll go ahead and press Alt 2.
Files list grid, Word Teams keystrokes, docs shared on 2/9/21 sent by Matt Ader, first row 1 out of 5, press right or left arrow.
All right, and it told me that there's multiple files in here and I'm on the first file that's in that list. It's the same file we were looking at before. If I arrow down, I would see the rest of the files. This is just like looking at something in Windows Explorer. So I'll go ahead and press down arrow.
Word transitioning to Edge Chromium, docs shared on 8/30.
And let's say this is the one I want. I can press my applications key or shift to F10 to choose to open this document.
Applications selected. Menu, open a desktop app, 2 of 5.
And I arrowed down one time from the top menu choice down to open a desktop app. If I press enter here, it would open the document in Microsoft Word. Note that I chose to open it using the applications menu or shift F10 because if I press enter on the file name, it will open in an inaccessible view that's part of the Teams application. Not necessary to do that step. If for some reason you do, you can always press Alt left arrow to go back a screen and you'll land back in the file list where you could choose to use the applications key or shift F10. This is one of the methods to open attachments within chats.
Freedom Scientific, a Vispero brand. To stay up to date on upcoming webinars and training events, complete the sign-up form at freedomscientific.com/webinars. Thanks again for connecting with us.